to sell outdoor and gardening products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's just choose one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So for me, I'm going to pick this product, for example. Let's check this product. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page, your own shop page, exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product, how to add as many pictures as you have, how to enter the price of your product, how to enter the description as well, and how to enter the product's details, like if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, how to enter the description as well. And the last thing is how to set the shipping and return policies. And guys, as I said in the beginning, there are a lot of sellers in this platform making a lot of money. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be just like one of these sellers and how to have your own shop page inside this platform that will allow you to make money just like them. So let's just close this page. And let's go back to the first page, go up, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. And I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is naming your shop. And here I'm going to give it this name, and I'm going to try to shorten the name and remove the special characters between words. Let's add this, and here the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop, and it's where you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to add in the photos and details about the product, let's first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here, as you can see, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. And here you will need to fill the price field. Then we have the listing details. And here you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the last one is shipping. You will need to fill all of these red fields as well. So let's start from photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your item, to your variations, so buyers can see all their options. Then for the video, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then for the listing details, you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title, and here we enter the title of the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. The first one is who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And then we have the category. So here let's just type our product's name, and we will have a lot of categories to choose from. So I'm going to choose the first category. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the craft type, the primary color of the product, the secondary color as well, if it's organic or no, if it's artificial or not. And for the renewal options, you can choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free, and that's what I'm going to choose. Then for the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product, and in my case it's a physical product obviously. Then for the description, in order guys to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. You can add their information. If not, just close this tab. And for the section tags and materials, they're all optional, so let's just leave them for later. Then for the price, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. So this is just an example of a price. Then you have the shipping. So here, make sure to fill all of these information, all of these fields with the right information, like this, for example. For the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days, and you do the same with these other fields. Then we have the returns and exchanges, which is the last step. So here you can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another policy in here, or you can even create your own policy. Choose what you're going to refuse and what you're going to accept. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.